De-dollarization process is real and rising rather swiftly.
But it's amazing when you've paid all this money for years and
America prints money, and the entire world accepts it. From oil deals in Middle East to loans in Africa and trade in Asia. The US dollar rules. But what if one day the world say no more? Will the global economy collapse? Will China take over? Today, we uncover the secrets behind the dollar's dominance and what happens if that power start to fade.
The free press of the world was shouting with increasing clamor for a second front attack against Germany.
It all started after World War II. In 1944, 44 countries met at the Bretton Woods Conference and decided to make the US dollar world's reserve currency. But why? Because had most of the world's gold. So countries pegged their currencies to the dollar and the dollar was backed by gold. But in 1977, President Richard Nixon shocked the world. He ended the gold standard. Now, dollar were backed by nothing, just trust. Still the world stuck with it. In 1970s, the US made a deal with Saudi Arabia, which is sell oil only in dollars. This created petrodollar systems. Every country needed dollars to buy oil, which meant demand for USD stay high. Plus, America had the biggest economy, the strongest military, and the most stable government. That's why central banks across the world still hold over 60% their reserves in USD. But the game is changing. Today, countries like China, Russia, India, and others in BRICS are trying to escape dollar dependency. China is pushing the yuan, Russia is trading oil in rubles.
US also plans to issue a Russia sanctions bill.
The US has also weaponized the dollar, using it to impose sanctions. This has made countries like Iran and Venezuela look for alternatives. Digital currencies and blockchain tech are also rising, but the dollar still dominates. But cracks are forming. If dollar loses its dominance, the US could be in big trouble. Why? The US borrow heavily, which means losing reserve status, which make borrowing costlier. Imports would become expensive. That means inflation increasing. But this won't happen overnight. No other currencies, not even the euro or yuan, has the same liquidity, trust, and global networks. So still, the shift has begun. Mic check, mic check. Okay.
Thank you very much. Wow.
The US dollar may still be king, but the kingdom is under threat. Now, challenges are rising and the world is preparing for change. In our next video, we will dive into, can Bitcoin and Chinese yuan replace the dollar? So don't forget to subscribe, like, and share, because the future of money is changing faster than you think.